Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com. Come back to another video from a beautiful day in Connecticut. And today I want to talk about the importance of making sure that you're listing consistently. You know, I've talked about this so many times, but it's so easy to source, right? It's fun. It's an adrenaline rush. You never know what you're going to find. It's so easy to count your potential profits when you find items, right? However you're sourcing, garage sales, thrift stores. But you got to make sure that you're listing your items. And, you know, there's a really great book that I'd recommend that can help you, you know, when it comes to making progress in your eBay business. And that's a book called The Slight Edge. And the concept behind this and how it relates to selling on eBay, the slight edge is all about the little tiny things that you do on a daily basis. They compound and they end up over time turning into something huge, right? Like maybe you have this big goal of being able to make $5,000 a month on your eBay store, and you reverse engineer things at a $30 average sale. I'm just making things up. And you say to yourself, all right, I got to sell, I don't know, $200 a month, right? Or 200 items a month. So you say, okay, I've got to list this many items. Maybe that's, 600 items a month you have to list. And then you break that down and you're like, all right, I got to list 10 items a day. I'm just throwing numbers off the top. Now you've broken that huge goal into something small, a bite-sized piece. And while you might think to yourself, oh, listing 10 items a day isn't going to make a big difference. Over a week period, it only brings in a couple sales. Over a two-week period, maybe it brings in 10 sales. But over time, that slight edge, that tiny decision to list 10 items a day, even when you don't feel like it, it builds your store from 100 listings to 200 listings to 500 listings to 1,000 listings, right? I don't know what your business model is. Some people have items that flip quick. Others, they have high ticket items that, it's easy to build up your inventory, but if you sell one or two items, boom, the profits are coming soon. So you got to keep in mind, it's easy to source. It's easy to find items. It's easy to count your potential profits, but you got to list every single day. And especially when things are slow. One of the biggest mistakes and traps that people fall into is when, things are going well, you list a ton. But when things slow down, you stop listing. Big mistake. Why? Because when times are slow due to the algorithm or due to just the economy, or maybe it's just bad luck to an extent, or maybe you don't have high quality items, if you stop listing, your items are going to keep going down. But if you keep listing, you're going to boost your sales. You're going to boost yourself in the algorithm. You're going to show eBay, okay, this guy's committed. He wants to make it happen. So do not stop listing. Be consistent. If you want to list 20 items a week, I wouldn't even do them all in one day. I would just make the small habit of just listing 2 or 3 items a day, right? Because you want to build that habit, right? A lot of people, they focus on the outcome of, all right, I want to have $5,000 a month in revenue. But really what matters most is what type of person do you need to become in order to be that $5,000 a month seller? The type of person you have to become is someone who consistently sources, someone who consistently lists, someone who consistently educates themselves. So instead of burning yourself out, I know I'm all over the place now, but instead of burning yourself out and going crazy 1 or 2 days a week and then quitting because it's just like, oh, I can't dedicate this much time, just do a little bit every single day. It's that slight edge. It's those little tiny decisions. And the compound effect certainly comes into play as an eBay seller. It really does. The more items you find, the bigger your eBay store builds, the more you educate yourself, the more items you find. It all compounds. And then one day you wake up and you're making $5,000 a month, or you're selling $5,000 a month and bringing in $2,500 a month profit, right? So just focus on listing every single day. Focus on doing the things that are going to move your business forward. Sourcing is amazing. I love sourcing. Right now, I've been sourcing a ton and not listing enough. And this is just a reminder to myself, Steve, don't get cocky and just think, oh, I could just buy all and count my profits. Your profits aren't real until you sell it. So get your items up, go make it happen. I just want to send this message. Much love.